Why does your scanner show the P2118 engine code? What does it mean? P2118 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle actuator A, control motor current range or performance. It indicates the PCM is detecting an issue with the current flowing to the throttle actuator motor, which controls the throttle plate opening. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty throttle body. Malfunctioning throttle position sensor. Defective throttle, actuator, control motor. Wiring or connector problems. Faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. Faulty PCM. Short circuit in throttle servo circuit. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Kia, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.